ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಜನರು ನೆಲೆಸಿ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಛಾಪನ್ನ ಮೂಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ದೊರೆತಂತಹ ಅಭೂತಪೂರ್ವ ಬೆಂಬಲ. ಈ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯಾಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ನಾಯಕರು, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಮಜುಮ್ದಾರ್ ಶಾ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದಂತಹ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳ ಸಾಧಕರು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ನೀಡಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸೋಣ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ AV ಪ್ಲೀಸ್?
In the last 2 years, Karnataka has continued to build its leadership in information technology and innovation-led businesses, including startups. Even during the pandemic, government and industry worked together closely to blunt the impact of the pandemic. I congratulate the government of Karnataka under the leadership of Chief Minister Sri Yediyurappa ji on the completion of 2 years and look forward to working with the government in the future for the development of the economy of the state.
I would like to congratulate the Yediyurappa government for completing 2 years, and I would like to express my deep appreciation to the government of Karnataka for their unstinted support over the years in building the biotech sector and enabling it to be truly the leaders in our country and one of the leading lights in the world. Thanks to the proactive and progressive policies that the government of Karnataka has taken in this area, I would also particularly like to express my deep thanks to the government of Karnataka for supporting the Science Gallery Bengaluru project, which is going to be a very important institution globally. Karnataka is blessed to have such good governance, such progressive government, and we are one state where the private sector works extremely closely with the government in our shared aspiration to lead in economic development.
I would like to congratulate Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Yediyurappa and his wonderful team for completing glorious 2 years. Last 1.5 to 2 years was perhaps the worst period which any government, any country, or for that matter the entire world went through. A tiny virus called COVID-19 held the world for ransom. We had no idea how to deal with that. I must admit, our government did a phenomenal job in using the entire government infrastructure along with private sector hospitals, doctors, nurses as one team to conquer the pandemic. I must admit, Karnataka is perhaps one of the most blessed states. For decades, our government invested heavily on medical, nursing, paramedical education. And in the process, today, I have no doubt that we have done one of the best in dealing with the COVID pandemic. Once again, my compliments to everyone in the government and every stakeholder for doing everything possible for saving precious lives.
The state government, led by our Chief Minister, is the first government in our state to call for a meeting of all honorary councils and try to see how we could form a detailed and a meticulous path to bring in proposals including political, economical and social development to our state. The compassionate approach of both relief and rehabilitation was also very evident in this government. When Corona came, we quickly formed a team of international aid to bring in relief material into the state. Our most successful in that was the Honorary Consul, Mr. Pushpak Prakash from the Czech Republic, who brought in more than 75 top-end ventilators to the state. The combination of meticulous planning and execution, as well as compassion, is very unique and most welcome to all of us. I congratulate our Chief Minister for his wonderful leadership.
Karnataka has always been at the cutting edge of development, be it of infrastructure, talent development, and also the many new smart cities coming across the state. These factors, along